Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the how to do add, sub in Excel. Before that, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Let's go in. So guys, here I am going to type total. Here balance. Whenever we apply formula, we need to type equals, or else it will not take us formula, it will take us text only. Here we are going to add total number of stock in value and stock out value. Here we are going to use sum of formula. If we need to add more than two values, we need to use sum of, so here I will type equals to sum of start value to end value. Same for stock out. We can use other method to add value, which is called AutoSum. Default icon is available top of the right hand side. It will automatically read the value. Mostly we are not using this formula, because it will not read the value in case we have space in between two rows. As I said, you can see here, it's read only 3 values out of 6. So better if we use sum formula. Here another formula is how to subtract more than two value. Here I am going to subtract stock in value and stock out value. Equals to stock in and stock out, so it will show the balance stock in warehouse. Here we need to apply formulas for all rows, so no need to give one by one, we just click the corner point and drag down or double click. And apply some formula here to see how many balance. Make bold for headings and change the color of heading. Table is in formula mode. If you need to change values in stock out, it will automatically change in total number of balance. You will get the result. This is how we need to apply formulas for add and sub. Okay guys, see you on another video. Until then, bye from MR. Thanks for watching.